Hi there, welcome to Coding Lab. For this video, we are going to show you how to download Zoom as well as how to create an account for Zoom. So the first thing that we have to do is to go to zoom.us. Okay, once we are at this web page, you will then see on the top right hand corner, there is a resources. We are going to mouse over resources and click on download Zoom client. Once we are in the download center, alright, we are going to download the Zoom client for meetings. So clicking on downloads and it will download the installer into your computer. Once it's downloaded, we are going to open the installer, okay, to install Zoom into the computer. So it will take a while, so let's wait patiently. And there we have it. So now Zoom is installed in our computer and the Zoom window will then pop up, okay, telling us to sign in or join a meeting. So before doing that, we are going to first click on this orange button to create an account. So the sign up is free button. Over here, they are going to ask us for our date of birth just for verification. So let's say, for example, I'm born in the 1st of January, year like maybe 1990. How about that? Okay. And then we're going to click on continue. Following which, they're going to ask us for our email address, or we can choose to sign in using Facebook, Google, or SSO. Okay, I'm just going to use an email address. So let's say, for example, codinglabdemo@gmail.com and sign up. Following, then they are going to ask us to select all images that contains motorcycles, just to make sure that we are not a robot. All right. And they will now send an activation email to our email address that we registered with. So if you go back to our Gmail, for my case, all right, and then we are going to click to activate the account for our Zoom. Now over here, they are going to ask us for our first name. So let's say, for example, Coding Lab, and our last name, Demo, and our password. One thing to take note is this: the password has to be at least 8 characters long, and it must contain at least one letter, at least one number, and it must include both upper and lower case characters. Alright, so let me just quickly key in my password. Okay, and then they are going to ask us to confirm our password, followed by checking that you are not a robot once again. So everything with a traffic light. Okay, are you signing up on the behalf of primary or secondary institution? There will be no, and then we are going to click on continue. Alright, over here, this is for you to invite your colleagues if you have any. For our case, we are just going to skip this step. Okay, and now you have created an account. Okay, so this link over here is your personal meeting URL. Okay, this is different from the one that we're going to use for the class. We will send out an email with regards to the link and the password for the class, and you can check the email from there. So the next video will be explaining more about it. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.